Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos just like this related with Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and many more other apps and other stuff. So if you want to get updated for future videos just like this, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. And let's move on with today's video now, shall we? So basically, to make boomerang videos on Snapchat using your iPhone, so to make sure that I'm using iPhone, as you guys can see the interface, this is basically what iPhone interface is. I even have App Store just in order to confirm that I'm using an iPhone and not an Android. All right, I have to do this because some people, they might not believe, oh my god, this guy is not using iPhone. So you guys can clearly know I'm using iPhone right now. So it's pretty simple to create a boomerang video. But before that, what is a boomerang video? Now basically, boomerang video means if a video is looped, so a video goes just like this. For an example, you can see my hand gesture is being repeated. Like, this is basically what boomerang is. Your video goes forward, it comes back again, it goes forward again, it comes back again. So it's a mixture of forward and reverse, and it keeps on playing until you decide not to play it. That's what boomerang is. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make it on your iPhone Snapchat. So it's pretty simple for iPhone user, but for Android user it's a bit hard, and we are also going to make a video on that topic, so stay tuned to our channel for that. So basically, to make a boomerang video, just click any random video over here just like this. After you make a video, you can take out its sound by clicking on the sound button at the bottom left corner. You can click on it once. The sound will be removed. Once the sound is removed, you want to click on this loop looking icon from the right side of your screen, the bottommost little option over here. You can click on it once, and basically click on it once, it's going to be on bounce. Once it's on bounce, it's basically done. This is what basically a boomerang is: forward, backward, forward, backward. It's done. Now you can just click on send to and send it to whoever you want, just like this. And basically that's how we guys can create a boomerang on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step, everybody. Thanks for watching our channel. Stay tuned to our channel for future videos. See you guys next time. Bye bye.